Let's go.
Hi, I hope you're doing great. Okay, I'll share you some phrases. You can use them in daily conversations. Also, you can use them with your friend. It will help you to boost your spoken English communication. Let's start the video. Further any delay. Okay, so don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you are watching video first time. Okay, so let's start the video. Yes, let's go. So if I will to use first phrases, and it is I'm feeling very tired today. Do you feeling? Are you feeling tired today? But I'm feeling very tired today because I have driven too long journey. Yes, that's why I'm feeling very tired today. You can use them in a sentence. The weather is getting cooler in November, right? Really, the weather is getting cooler in November. This November actually, and this is a November month, and really evening and morning time. It is really cooler. Yes, you must have noticed. Just enjoy the weather, and always you must take care of your health. Another sentence you can use, and that is, we can talk later because I'm busy right now, but I can talk to with you. Yes, okay. You can use them. Hey, we can talk later. I'm busy right now. If you are working, doing something work that time. Okay. If somebody is called, some friend, if he, if your friend will call you, you can say, hey, we can talk later. Okay. I can talk later. Okay. I'm busy right now. Yes. Another sentence. I start with my day positive mind. Yes, I always start with my day with a positive mind. You can use them, right? So I sure you will start the your day with a positive mind. Yes, you should start your day with positive mind. That's why you can use them. Hey, can you help me? Hey, can you help me with this box? Can you help me with this? You can use them. Hey, can you help me with this? Of course, he will help you. Yes. Otherwise, you can use them. Uh, otherwise, you can use. I'm learning new English sentences every day. Yes, really. If you are learning new English sentences every day, because learning English, new English sentences is very important. Okay, because we have to learn day by day, new sentences every day. So you must try to learn new sentences every day in a daily basis and use them in a sentence, right? If I will tell you, hey, can you start the day with positive mind? Okay, let you can use them. Please give me minutes. I'm coming soon. Okay, if you are anywhere, and your friend, and your mommy, your parent is calling you. You can say, yes, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming. Please give me a minute. I'm coming. You can use them. Yes, I'm coming. Give me a minute. I'm coming. Yes. Another phrase you can use, and that is for New Year's actually. So let's plan something because New Year is approaching, right? Let's plan something, New Year is approaching, so make sure to plan something for the New Year's, right? Another phrase, and that is, I need to finish my work before this evening. Yes, it is very important work, that's why I need to finish this work somehow this evening, before this evening, right? So yes, this is one more sentence. And last you can use them. Yes, thank you for your precious time here. I appreciate it. Thank you. All the best. Have you will use this sentence in daily basis conversations, and you can try and you can make practice them by using this sentence. Okay. So have some notes and do practice. All the best. Happy, healthy, and have a great day. Take care. And always help the needy people. All the best. Thank you so much.